My fellow Singaporeans, as we mark SG60, commemorating 6 decades of resilience and progress, and look forward to GE 2025, we find ourselves at a pivotal moment in our history. It is a time to honor the past and shape a brighter future together. My story is rooted in heritage and responsibility. From my late uncle's esteemed role as a Qadi in Johor to my grandmother's anecdotes of ties to leaders of the past, my lineage reminds me that leadership is about service, vision, and dedication to the greater good. Inspired by the Singapore United Party SUP manifesto, my mission is clear: to foster inclusivity, protect our well-being, and pursue our aspirations as one united people. I believe in a Singapore where every voice matters and where we leverage innovation and sustainability to build a better tomorrow. In this moment of renewal, I humbly seek your support. Together, we can create a Singapore that thrives, not just for us, but for the generations to come. Let us build a nation we can always call home. Thank you, and let us embark on this journey together. Vote for me, Nuraini binti Yunus. Vote for Singapore United Party, SUP. Moving forward together.